Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create Chrome profile. So new Chrome profile, how you can create it. Click on your by default Chrome which you install it. Then here you can see the all the profiles which you created earlier, and then if you want to create a new profile, then from here by clicking on this add button, there is two options: sign in and then create. Without sign in also you can create a Chrome profile. So I will click on it and click on test and then done. So here you can see the new Chrome profile gets created. Here you can find this. I will from here you can see the new profile gets added. By using this add button also you can create a new profile. Test 2 done. So in this way you can create a Chrome profile. I will repeat again. So first of all, you need to click on the Chrome icon. Then here is the add button. By clicking on this add button, these two options gets available. You can directly sign in with your Gmail accounts, and then you will get new profile gets created. And also from here, also you can see the add button. From here also you can create the profile. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.